how to make a video from any image in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the homepage of OpenArt AI. In the new workspace, if you see the old version over here, it says previous version. Click on that. Then here it says go to the new workspace, and it's gonna take you to the new workspace. So over here you can click on video, or on the left side click video. Now here you have the option to write a text and make a video, or use a frame. We are gonna use a frame. We're gonna select the model Clink 3.0 Omni. You can change it if you want to. I do think this is the best one so far, so you decide for yourself. Over here it says set start and frame. So add a start frame. Click on that, and then I can add this woman, which is over here without the bottle, and then you write what you want her to do in the video. I can say something like drink from the bottle and slow dance. The more details, the more it understands you. Okay, so just describe your video. If you want to select an audio, you don't have to, but it's gonna cost more credits. So if I remove that, 250. If I add 350, so 100 more credits. I have almost 30,000 credits over here. This is the duration. You can do up to 15. So I'm gonna do 10, and a resolution 700, but 20. You can do 4K, but it's gonna cost a lot more. So it depends on you. I'm just gonna select this one. Now it's gonna cost me 350. I'm not gonna generate. I wanna show you this image. So this is an image. I added the bottle to the image. As you can see, it was without the bottle, and over here I added that. So you can do that too. And now in order to generate a video, I clicked image to video over here, and then it's gonna add the frame over here, and you can describe what you want her to do. So in this video, as you can see, I told her to make her open the bottle of the vodka and drink from it. So let's watch. Almost did it perfectly. So all I did, I just used an image to make a video. And this is how you can generate a video from an image in OpenArt AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.